Phrasal verbs are very important in English. Today we learn about give away. This phrasal verb has two essential meanings. First meaning is to donate or give something for free. Second meaning is to reveal a secret accidentally. Understanding both meanings helps you speak natural English. Give away meaning one is to give something without payment. This means donate or distribute items for free. You give something to someone and expect nothing in return. For example, when you donate clothes to charity, you give them away. This is a very common use in everyday English. Give away meaning two is to reveal information accidentally. This happens when you unintentionally disclose a secret. Your words or actions betray what you wanted to keep hidden. For example, your facial expression might give away that you know a surprise. This meaning shows unintentional revelation. Listen to these examples for meaning one. He will give away all his money to charity. This means he donates everything without keeping it. Tom is going to give away his old stuff. This shows he distributes items he no longer needs. Both sentences use give away to mean donate for free. Now examples for meaning two. Don't give away the surprise party. This warns someone not to reveal the secret plan. Her smile gave away the secret. This means her expression accidentally showed she knew something. Both examples show unintentional revelation of hidden information. Here are helpful synonyms for give away. For meaning one, use donate, gift, or handout. These all mean giving without payment. For meaning two, use reveal, betray, or expose. These show accidentally disclosing secrets. Knowing synonyms helps you understand and use similar words correctly. Give away is a separable phrasal verb. You can say give away something or give something away. Both are correct. With pronouns, always use give it away, never give away it. This is a common grammar mistake to avoid. Remember the correct word order for natural English. Practice with these sentences. Please give away your old clothes to charity. His nervous laugh gave away that he was lying. They give away free samples at the store. Don't give away the ending of the movie. Fill in give away in each blank to practice both meanings.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.